Most people work hard for money their entire life, but very few ever learn how money actually works. That's the difference between those who struggle and those who become financially free. In this video, let's understand what financial education really means and why it's the most powerful skill you can ever learn. Financial education isn't just about saving money. It's about understanding how money moves, grows, and works for you. When you know how to manage income, expenses, debt, and investments, you take control of your financial future. Without this knowledge, even a good salary can disappear every month, but with it, even small income can grow over time. So, where do you start? Begin with the basics. Learn how to budget, how to save before you spend, and how to invest instead of keeping money idle. Read books, watch videos, and follow channels that teach real financial principles. Because financial freedom doesn't come from luck, it comes from learning and applying knowledge daily. Remember, schools teach us how to earn money, but they rarely teach us how to manage it. That's why self-education is so powerful. You can learn at any age, anytime, anywhere. The more you learn about money, the more confident, independent, and successful you'll become. So start your journey of financial education today. Because knowledge about money is not just power, it's freedom. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who want to grow smarter with money.